excessive contraction, probably due to excessive analyzation, an MBA or a PhD, or even a bachelor's, or just overall problem solving, mainly Western world. So here we want to gain connection with the brow muscle, forehead, to gain sensual acuity so we can detect when we're causing it, find neutral position, power it up with the breath, and reset and design the face to prevent excessive furrows between the eyes. Inhale, right index finger on the inside of the brow. We're going to use the finger to lightly lift the brow. So inhale from the tailbone, wave up the spine through the neck, and as the wave hits the eyebrow, lift the inner eyebrow and lightly assist with the finger. As you exhale, soften the forehead, soften the eyebrow. Follow the wave of breath down to the tailbone. Inhale, right index finger on the inside of the brow. We're going to use the finger to lightly lift the brow. So inhale from the tailbone, wave up the spine through the neck, and as the wave hits the eyebrow, lift the inner eyebrow and lightly assist with the finger. As you exhale, soften the forehead, soften the eyebrow. Follow the wave of breath down to the tailbone. Move the index finger to the center eyebrow muscle. Create a wave through the spine. Inhale, lengthen through the chest, the neck, the face, the center brow, lift. And exhale, soften the wave from the top of the head through the brow, through the face, through the chest, to the tailbone. Position the finger on the outside corner of the brow. Inhale, a wave through the spine. Lift the outside corner of the brow. Lightly assist with the finger. Big inhale, big lift. Exhale, soften the wave from the top of the head, through the brow, through the face, the jaw, the neck, the chest, the tailbone. Inhale the breath through the spine. Lift the left index finger to the inside of the left eyebrow muscle. Take another breath. Inhale a wave through the spine. Lift the inner brow so the wave hits the top of the head. Full breath, full lift. Exhale, soften the wave through the top of the head, through the inner eyebrow, through the face, the jaw, the chest, the tailbone. Reposition index finger to the center of the brow. Inhale a wave through the spine, up the chest, the neck, the chin. Lift the center brow muscle. Keep inhaling, max inhale, max lift, and exhale, soften. Forehead, eyebrow, face, jaw, neck, chest, tailbone. Reposition index finger outside of the brow. Inhale, lift the spine. Wave through the neck, the chin, the face, and the brow. Lift. Keep lifting the breath through the top of the head. Then exhale, soften. Forehead, brow, chin, neck, chest. Inhale, wave through the spine. As the wave moves through the face, lift the inner brow. Exhale, soften. You can assist with the fingers here. Breath comes through the face, relaxing the shoulders. Breath comes down to the tailbone. Inhale, wave through the spine. As the wave moves through the face, lift the inner brow. Exhale, soften. You can assist with the fingers here. Breath comes through the face, relaxing the shoulders. Breath comes down to the tailbone. Reposition the fingers on the inside of the brow muscle, center. Breathe, wave through the spine. Lift, lightly assist, and exhale, soften the forehead, brows, face, lightly smile. Sink it to the tailbone. Reposition outside of the brow. Inhale, wave. Lift, lightly assist. Exhale, soften the muscles, so top of the head, forehead, outside of the brow, face, chin, shoulders. Inhale, lightly press the finger on the inside of the brow with a little bit of weight of the finger on the brow. We're going to lift, breathing in. Wave passes through the brow. We lightly lift the finger and exhale, soften the finger. Breath goes to the tailbone. Inhale, lightly press the finger on the inside of the brow with a little bit of weight of the finger on the brow. We're going to lift, breathing in. Wave passes through the brow. We lightly lift the finger and exhale, soften the finger. Breath goes to the tailbone. Reposition the finger inside of the brow muscle in the center. Inhale the wave through the spine, lightly press. And lift as the wave passes through, and exhale, soften. And reposition to the outside of the brow. Continue the breath. Inhale, lift, lightly press. And exhale, soften the brow. Soften the breath through the face, chest, tailbone. Wave through the spine, chest, neck. Lightly press and lift. And then exhale, soften the face, soften the breath to the tailbone. Reposition the finger on the inside of the brow. Take a breath, lightly press down. Bring the wave through the spine. Lift the brow and the finger with a little pressure against the brow. And then exhale, soften the wave through the brow. Back to neutral. Reposition the finger on the outside of the brow. Continue to breathe in. Lifting, lightly pressing against the outside muscle. Full lift, full breath, and exhale, soften the weight of the finger and soften the brow back to spa neutral. Inside muscles of the brow. Inhale, lift with the breath as it passes through the brows. Full breath, full lift, and exhale, soften the inner eyebrows, symmetrically relaxing into the spa phase. Inhale, wave through the spine. Bring the power into the face muscles, cresting at the top of the head, and exhale, soften scalp, forehead, symmetrical relaxation, sink into your spa phase. Center brow, inhale, wave through the spine, lift, max breath, exhale, soften the scalp, the forehead, the brow, the face, lightly lift the cheeks with a smile. Outside of the brows, inhale, wave, lift both at the same time, full breath, full lift, looking for symmetry, minimal lines. Exhale, soften the scalp, the forehead, and the muscles on the outside of the brow. Use the finger as a weight underneath the brow. Start from a higher position of the brow, lifted, and press down lightly with the finger. Inhale, breathe away through the spine, lift, and exhale, lightly press and soften the brow down, back to neutral. Reposition the finger to the center of the brow. Inhale, lift the brow, place underneath, hold, exhale, soften the brow, and lightly press down. So activating the muscle just a little bit. Reposition the finger on the outside of the brow, underneath. So inhale, lift, exhale, lightly press, and press the brow down. Your inhale through the spine, max lift on the brow as the breath goes through the spine. Lightly press underneath and exhale as the breath comes down, contract the brow just a little bit to come down. Soften the breath in the tailbone. Place the index finger on the center of the brow, underneath. Full inhale, full lift, and exhale, lightly press and contract the brow down. Reposition the finger to the outside of the brow. Inhale, lift, full lift, finger underneath the brow. Exhale, contraction. As the breath goes through the face, down to the tailbone. Inhale, place index fingers on the underneath side of the muscle this time. And contraction, we're going to pull down. So breathe in, full breath, full lift, and as you exhale, push the brow muscle down on the finger a little bit as the breath passes through the shoulders back to the tailbone. Inhale, lift, wave through the spine, max lift, lightly press, exhale, soften the forehead, and draw the eyebrows down with just a little pressure on the fingers, trying to avoid making the valley between the brows. Reposition the fingers on the center. Inhale, lift. Lightly press. And as you exhale, contract the brows down. Reposition the fingers on the outside. Straight spine. Breathe. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lightly press underneath. And then exhale, contract as the breath comes through. It's almost like a wink. Reposition the fingers on the outside. Straight spine. Breathe. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lightly press underneath. And then exhale, contract as the breath comes through. It's almost like a wink. Breathe, wave, full lift. You can assist if you want, but on the exhale, press, contract the muscle. Inhale, wave through the spine. And lift, lightly press against the brow with the fingers, and exhale, soften the muscles, scalp, forehead, brow, face, shoulders, tailbone. Inhale, wave through the spine. And lift, lightly press against the brow with the fingers, and exhale, soften the muscles, scalp, forehead, brow, face, shoulders, tailbone. Reposition, center, breathe. Lightly press and lift. And exhale, soften. The wave through the brows, the face, the shoulders, lightly draw back, sink into the tailbone. Outside. Inhale, full breath. Lightly press against the outside and lift. Keep lifting, full breath, full lift, lightly press. And exhale, soften. Forehead, brow, light draw on the shoulder blades, sink into the tailbone. Place the thumb below the eyebrow muscle. Pointer finger and index finger on top. Lightly pinch the brow muscle. As you inhale, roll down the brow muscle. And as you exhale, soften the hand. Inhale, plant the thumb, fingers, lightly pinch. Exhale, roll. Inhale, plant the thumb, index and pointer finger on top. Pinch and roll with the exhale. Inhale, plant the fingers on the neck. As you inhale, lift the fingers lightly across the skin. Exhale, softly down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, pointing fingers on the inside, lightly press against the bone. As you inhale, roll the fingers across the brow to the temple. As you exhale, back to the center. Add another finger. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And then go for the whole face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light smile,